welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 74 Trans Am. Yeah, it's a Super Duty 455, numbers matching motor and trans in this baby, and it has been on the rotisserie, so the bottom side of this car looks just as good as the top side. Look at the paint on it, looking amazing. The bumper looks great. Just everything about this car. And of course, it's got the bird on the hood, looking sweet. I'll tell you, all the body lines are lined up nice. You see how nice that hood's lined up there? And of course, we got that shaker. It's got that SD 455 on it. Got the great looking Pontiac wheels on it. Look down the side of this beauty. She is straight as an arrow. And like I said, stick with us in the video because we're gonna get underneath the car. We're gonna show you the bottom side of it. We're gonna get the hood up. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this beautiful car. And don't forget, she's a Super Duty. Look at this interior. It is beautiful. Looks brand new inside there. Absolutely gorgeous. Headliners looking sweet. Shoulder belts looking good. Center console's looking awesome. Dash pad, all the gauges, all the faces of the gauges. Just absolutely beautiful car, inside and out. Wait till you see the bottom of this thing. It is amazing. We're gonna pop open the trunk right now. Now we got 47 keys here, but we got one that's marked right here. That's telling me that's the trunk key. You can see all the paintwork back here on the rear bumper, also looking good. We got the keyhole for the trunk back here. Look inside that trunk. Beautiful. I always look down in here. Look how nice and neat all that is. Isn't it beautiful? Even the bottom side, and look at that. Even the light in the trunk is working. Check down the passenger side. Straight as an arrow. She's gorgeous. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this Trans Am. So you know we spent the time to check it out before we got it bought. Then the first thing we do to every car here at Vanguard is put them up on the lift and inspect them so we can answer every question you may have about them. And don't forget, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. Now, we've got our inventory on all social media at VanguardMotorsales.com, and you're watching us on YouTube right now. And if you want to see more cool videos just like this one, we're posting about 40 a month. And you make sure that you subscribe to our channel on YouTube and hit that little bell button so you get a notification every time we get another cool car in. Let's take this SD for a ride. You want to talk about sweet? This is one amazing car right here. Super rare, super nice. I'll tell you what, I always had my eye on these when I was in high school. Man, this thing is sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can deliver this car anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful machine. And he'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. And if you want help with financing, we've got several bankers we work with on financing. They will do all the paperwork for you. All you have to do is make that phone call. Also, you can fill out an app right on our website at VanguardMotorsales.com. So don't hesitate to do that. Get yourself pre-approved, and then you can just pick from one of the badass muscle cars we have in stock. And don't forget, we're always getting new stuff in. And we have a whole team of mechanics here at Vanguard. We can do anything to a muscle car that you may want. So if you see one of our cars that you'd like a little bit different, don't hesitate to ask Tom. We can add stuff, we can subtract stuff, whatever you want. You can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet. I love that machine turned dash and these things. Man, it looks cool. Now we are about to do something that nobody does to every one of their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, every car goes on the lift, gets pictures, gets videos, gets checked out, so you know exactly what you're getting when this baby hits your driveway. And we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, but we are also very close to the airport. We have a lot of customers fly in the morning, do their business midday, and can get right back to the airport and get right back home in the same day. Now here's our shop right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. This baby's going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this 74 TA now, and man, is it pretty under here. You can see the gas tank's been all restored. You can see the exhaust is new, and it looks like it's stainless. It's been upgraded all the way through. The muffler's stainless. We got a 308 gear in here, and of course it is Posi. You see brand new brake lines here. Looks like it's got new drums on it, and the guys will pull them all apart and make sure they're installed correctly. You see that the bottom is all primered, and so the car has been on a rotisserie, looking sweet. The fuel lines look like they're new. The brake lines also look like they're new. I mean, everything under here looks brand new. It is beautiful under here. Body bushings are new, nice paint on the frame. Pinch weld looks good. All these support members here on the floorboard all look great. The transmission is numbers matching, and of course it is a turbo 400 for those who do not know that. We do have the numbers matching motor up here. All the dates line up. All the casting numbers line up, so it is the Super Duty. We do have disc brakes up front. Looks like we've got new ball joints here also. Looks like the sway bar bushings have been replaced. The guys will check out all the steering gear. Front frame horns are nice and straight. You can see there's not a mark on the front end here. Everything looks sweet up here. Paint work right down to the bottom edge is looking good. I barely see any scrapes even on this piece here. I'll tell you what, it is one beautiful car underneath. And then for tires, we got BFGs on some great looking rims. These tires are actually 225/70 15s. And you can see the paint work right down to the bottom edge of the front fenders is looking good. You can see the pinch weld is looking sweet. The bottom side of the rocker's looking sweet. I see brand new bolts and what look like brand new bushings in the springs also. Out back here, again, trim ring, center cap, and wheel looking sweet. 225/70 15s out back. And I tell you, those stainless tips, man, that tells the story right there, looking sweet. Well, let's get under the hood and check out that numbers matching 455. All right, under the hood here, we've got the numbers matching 455. Like I said, all the casting numbers line up, the dates line up. We got pictures of all that in the ad. The carburetor seems to be the original carburetor on here. Of course, the car does have power brakes. It does have power steering. You can see it's nicely restored. Firewall's nice and clean. The motor's nicely painted. I mean, everything about this car is just gorgeous. And don't forget, she's a Super Duty, guys. 1974, this is one of the baddest cars you could buy. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.